This is verse 33 of the 18th chapter of the Gospel of Matthew. The servant who has refused to show compassion to his fellow servant has been hauled back in front of his master, and the master is now interrogating him as to why, when he had received such mercy, he didn't extend it, asking the question for which the answer is fairly obvious. Uk, this is the negation. Ede, this is from deo. It means to bind, really. It's the idea. It's a rather strong word to use in this situation. It's the third person singular, imperfect, active indicative. So was he not bound would be the idea. It's set up as a question. Was he not bound? And then focusing on the subject at hand, also see. So was it not necessary, or were you not bound, is the general force of it. Eleasai, this is an aorist infinitive from eleao, means I show mercy. This is the infinitive. So was it not necessary also for you to show mercy, is generally how that'd be brought over. To mercy, literally, the verb is actually a transitive verb. It isn't translated that way. We say to have mercy on, but this is actually literally to mercy, tone sundulon, the fellow servant, possessive pronoun of you. Weren't you bound to do that? Shouldn't you have done that? Hos, this is a article, or a conjunction rather. It means as or just as. Kago, combining kai, ago, or ego. As I also, se, you, Eleasa, showed mercy, first person singular, aorist active indicative. So, point is that this servant, of course, has been the recipient of immense mercy on the part of this king. Wasn't it incumbent upon the servant to, in gratitude for that, to show the same mercy to his fellow servant, which manifestly he did not do, and now is going to reap the consequences of his lack of good judgment.